In this video, I'm going to be showing you what is SAP PM. So welcome to this introduction to SAP PM, one of the essential modules within the SAP ERP system. So SAP PM is a comprehensive tool used by businesses to manage their maintenance activities, ensuring the smooth operation of physical assets like machinery, equipment, and facilities. So this video will walk you through what SAP PM is and why it's important and its key components. So let's get started. So, as an introduction to this explanation or walkthrough is unlocking efficiency. So, it's a creative dive into SAP PM basics. So, welcome to our journey into SAP PM. This presentation will explore the fundamentals of plant maintenance, emphasizing its role in enhancing operational efficiency. So get ready to unlock the secrets of effective maintenance management and discover how creativity can drive success in SAP PM. So first, what is SAP PM? So SAP PM stands for Plant Maintenance, a module designed to manage maintenance activities within an organization. So it helps in planning, executing, and monitoring maintenance tasks, ensuring optimal performance and reliability of equipment. So, uh, SAP PM is a module in the SAP ERP suite designed to help organizations plan, schedule, perform, and track maintenance activities. Whether you are dealing with preventive maintenance, repairs, or inspections, SAP PM enables businesses to maintain their equipment and avoid unexpected breakdowns. So, SAP PM again covers all the aspects of plant maintenance, including the planning, execution, and documentation of maintenance tasks. So this module is often used in industries where equipment uptime is crucial, such as manufacturing, energy, oil and gas, and utilities. So the key components of SAP PM include maintenance planning, work order management, and preventive maintenance. So each component plays a vital role in ensuring that equipment runs smoothly, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. So understanding these elements is crucial for effective management. So next is let's discuss on maintenance planning. So effective maintenance planning involves forecasting maintenance needs based on equipment usage and performance data. By utilizing historical data, organizations can schedule maintenance activities proactively, reducing unexpected breakdowns and enhancing overall efficiency. Next is work order management. So in SAP PM, work order management streamlines the process of creating, tracking, and closing work orders. So this ensures that maintenance tasks are completed on time and resources are utilized efficiently. So a well-managed work order system enhances accountability and improves service quality. And last is the preventive maintenance. So, preventive maintenance is a proactive approach that focuses on regular inspections and maintenance tasks to prevent equipment failures. So, by implementing a preventive strategy, organizations can significantly reduce maintenance costs and extend the lifespan of their assets. So, the benefits of implementing SAP PM include increased operational efficiency, reduced downtime, and improved asset management. Organizations that leverage SAP PM can achieve a competitive advantage by optimizing their maintenance processes and ensuring seamless operation. Also, SAP PM has integration with other modules. SAP PM integrates seamlessly with other SAP modules like MM or Materials Management and QM, which is Quality Management. So this integration fosters better communication and data sharing across departments, leading to improved decision making and enhanced operational performance. So the challenges in SAP PM. So while a SAP PM offers numerous advantages, challenges such as data accuracy, user training, and system integration can arise. So addressing these challenges require a strategic approach, including continuous training and investment in system upgrades to ensure optimal performance. So the future of SAP PM looks promising with advancements in IoT and AI. So these technologies will enable predictive maintenance, allowing organizations to anticipate equipment failures before they occur, thus revolutionizing maintenance management and driving even greater efficiency. Also, we have creative strategies. So, to maximize the potential of SAP PM, organizations should adopt creative strategies such as gamification of maintenance tasks and leveraging data visualization tools. These approaches can enhance user engagement and foster a culture of continuous improvement. So, in conclusion, unlocking efficiency in SAP PM requires understanding its fundamentals and leveraging creative strategies. So, by embracing these concepts, organizations can enhance their maintenance processes and drive operational excellence. So, thank you for joining this creative dive into SAP PM basics. So before we end the video, I'm just going to tell you how SAP PM works or the workflow of how you are going to use SAP PM. So first, you want to create a maintenance notification. So when an equipment issue is detected, a maintenance notification is created. So the notification includes details such as the equipment ID, description of the issue, priority level, and the person reporting the problem. So this step is the foundation of any maintenance task in SAP PM. Next is you want to plan the maintenance tasks. So once the notification is reviewed, you need to create a maintenance order. Next is you want to perform the maintenance, close the order, and after that, you're going to analyze the performance. So again, with the proper use of SAP PM, companies can reduce maintenance costs, improve equipment reliability, and ensure compliance with safety standards. So whether you're in manufacturing, energy, or utilities, SAP PM helps streamline your maintenance processes and keep your operations running smoothly. So that's basically all it is in this overview. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.